Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Listen, y'all know when your girl is back in the DMV and she doing videos, y'all, she must be sitting in some type of traffic or something. Let me just say, y'all, everybody vote. Everybody say we don't want to go back into the office. Why do you want to put yourself through this mess every day? Lord knows I don't want to. Like, I'm not complaining about my job, y'all. I'm not at all. Like, thank God I have a job, right? You can pay your bills. You can support yourself. You ain't got to ask nobody for nothing. But I'm going to tell you, the price you got to pay for it sometimes is kind of crazy. And for me and the DMV, traffic is definitely something you got to... Listen, you got to pay the price for in DMV for that money that everybody's making. I'm going to say everybody else because I ain't making that money that everybody else is making. I wish I was. Then I probably wouldn't mind being in this traffic. But since I'm not making that money yet, I'm going to just be the traffic hater for everybody else. Because this, y'all, this don't make any sense that I'm sitting in this traffic. It don't make any sense. So what y'all doing this morning? Like, what's popping? What y'all got going on? Y'all, well, y'all can see me. I'm going day in the office. And I think I'm going to just rock my little bun. Because I think my locks are coming to the end of their cycle. And when I say the end of their cycle, I mean just that. They're coming to the end of their cycle. I think this might be my last weekend with this look. And the crazy part is because a friend of mine gave me it's a spiral brush. But it's like a hair straightener brush. So it do all those things at one time. And I said, what's this for? And he was like, to get your hair back out. So anywho, y'all, listen, I enjoy these locks, but y'all know I don't like this. See all that gray hair up in there? Y'all know y'all don't like all this gray hair. This is not that's not my forte, y'all. I understand. I am excited about my age. I'm happy that I've gotten to the age that I am, but damn that, I don't want that though. Like, why we gotta have that part to show that we have age or we've gotten a little season? I don't, you know what I'm saying? Like, is this the seed? This the glitter? That's what I call it glitter. So I don't really want no glitter, y'all. I don't. But anywho, so yeah, I think my locks are coming to the end of its thing. But maybe not today or tomorrow, but very soon because I just feel it. Like I'm running out of things to do with my hair. And when I run out of things to do with my hair, then all you ever see it in is a bun or a ponytail. And I think that kind of defeat the purpose for me to actually put the locks in, to experience the locks and see, you know, get lock styles and stuff like that. So I think it kind of defeat the purpose if I'm just putting them up in a ponytail all the time. So when I start doing that, I just know it's time for me to get a new style, which I think I should do. Should I let my hair out for a little while? Should I let my hair out and breathe, or should I go get me another protective style? And when I say protective style, I just mean braids or some type of crochet or something where my hair is not being manipulated every day, or it's not even being touched. Actually, like my hair, well, it's being touched because I get in my scalp. I grease. I won't say grease, but I oil my scalp down real good, and I don't do no matting and all that other stuff, and I keep my products real low, especially when I have braids in my hair, because I don't like that big clunk of buildup that be on your hair when you go to take your braids and stuff. I don't like that, so I don't use a lot of products when I am in braids. Like, I won't even wash my hair. I will get it wet. Like, I'll get in the shower and just let the water run on it if it's like itching real bad or something. But I'm not really going to like wash it with shampoo and stuff like that, because I feel like that's just product buildup too. Like, and then when you go take them braids out, yeah, your hair might have been clean, but your hair got all this product buildup on it. And so I don't do that. I just take my braids out. I don't really normally leave my braids in past 30 days. And the thing about that is that's a curse. A curse because I can do my own hair. So because I can do my own hair, I know I don't have to leave it in for so long. It don't have to look super crazy before it's time to come out. I know when it's time to come out. And these locks, it's almost time for them to come out. Even though I do appreciate them. I like them. I'm glad that I got this length. I think I'll do it again. I might do Even those little mini twists that's been rocking. I might even get some of those, but I gotta really depend on that. I mean, think about that, because like those mini twists are super small. I mean, it's gonna take hours and hours to put them in, and like I said, I don't keep my braids in forever. So to me, that looked like almost one of them forever hairstyles. Like, you just gotta leave that in for at least 2 months just to get satisfaction out of all the time it took you to braid it. That's just my opinion. So I don't know if I have that patience or to wait that long to sit and get them done. That's one. And then I don't think I have the patience to leave them in as long as they should be in to really appreciate them. You know what I'm saying? So maybe not those. Maybe not those yet. Sorry, y'all, I had to fix my mirror over here. It's a lot of sun out here this morning. That's why I got all this beautiful light. I don't need no filters or nothing. This is the sun out here popping, doing its thing. And you see your girl got her kCharles Couture button-up shirt. Yeah, I remember I did the green one, so of course I had to do a blue one. Like, you gotta have a French blue button-up. Who doesn't have a French blue button-up? So I actually have these on with my little red pants today. And I'm feeling real good, y'all. I'm feeling real good. I got my cute little red shoes that I'm gonna put on. That's gonna cover up my little toes, because I need to go get my toenails done. I mean, they ain't bad, but they don't look good like I like them, so that means they don't get shown. But my little shoes, I got my little I got a red pair of little Manolos. They real cute. They got a little ponytail. Y'all will see in a little while once I get to work and actually can put the clothes on and sit down and take some pictures and videos. But right now I'm just on my way to the office. And on my way it's taking a long time. But anywho, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and pay attention to this traffic and see what's popping on the internet, what I have missed. If you have not gone and subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go and do that, y'all. I'm trying to get my watch hours up. And I'm going to tell you what I'm doing in April. In April, I am going to blog every single day. I'm not going to miss a day, and I have not missed a day yet. It's only day 4, but I haven't missed a day at all. So please go in there and support your girl, and go click the link in the bio for my YouTube. Go watch a video. Go watch a playlist. Let it play while you're just working. You ain't even gotta, I'm almost saying you don't have to watch the videos. Let the videos play in the background while you're at work. Put it on your computer, let it play, keep it pushing. So I'm gonna get off here, like I said, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. What's up, y'all? Yes, I'm still in my car. Listen, y'all, listen. I ain't even gonna talk about that no more. But yes, I am still in my car. But at least I'm on the final stretch. I am almost at work. Y'all see your girl got her badge out so I can get in the garage. Like, and I really took this out way too early, but I'm gonna do it anyway, because I already know these the guards don't give me a hard time. They'll be like, "Where your parking bags at?" And I'm like, "I gotta print it when I go upstairs. I ain't got no printer at home to be using my paper to print out parking passes. Y'all should have it in the system." That part, like, it should just automatic. It should be like the you know how, like, when you go pay your parking tickets at the little kiosk. I feel like that's how it should be when we get a parking pass at work. Why we gotta print out paper and all that other stuff? Put that thing in the kiosk so that they know this spot is taken. And if they walk around and see that this spot is taken and it ain't taken by the right person or something, then do that. But like, oh, that print out. So like I said, I know the guard's gonna like probably like laugh at me and get on me, because I ain't got no printout. I'm not printing out no paper from work. I use their printout paper at work. So since I wasn't at work to get the parking pass, I ain't get no printout. But anywho, I just came back to let y'all know that I am almost there. At least I am moving today. And so for those that don't know, I may be having to relocate back to the DMV. Y'all, I don't want to do that.